really reasonably priced, and yeah, we just really liked their product, the choice. They were excellent at sending out samples and things like that, so yeah.
Mark's delivery was excellent. Everything arrived on time when he said it would, and when we needed some more tiles delivered, because I think we'd slightly miscalculated, they were sent out straight away and without any problems. I definitely recommend Farmhouse Flagstones. Mark was excellent from start to finish. Like I say, he sent samples out in a variety of colours, so that was great to see all of those. The finish is fantastic. Everybody that comes into the house, it's the first thing they comment on, and I definitely install them again in a heartbeat. So, brilliant.